If you find your camera is offline or some other issues while you watching live view, you can manually restart your NVR from mobile application. For that, you have to click this 3 bar, then you will get the menu. From there, go to device configuration and select that particular device. Then you will find the restart here. Just click that. Then it will ask for restart now. Then click OK and wait for some time. Now it's restarting, that's why it's not getting. So you can go and check whether your device is went offline. Just refresh. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see everything working perfect. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.